Hey guys, Joe from J&M Concrete here. So this week we are doing a front porch with landing and a step and a little sidewalk. Nothing too crazy compared to last week, but stick around for the tear out, the prep, my favorite part, the pour. Don't forget to leave us a like, subscribe. See you then, guys. All right, guys, there it is. Got everything prepped. We got it framed out. Tear out was fun. We were able to get the machine in there, so it wasn't too hard. We're spraying our forms with Formules because all this is faced, all that faced, step face, face, face. Besides this little sidewalk, everything is getting faced. Tomorrow, honestly, the hard part is just getting the concrete on the ground. The finishing should go pretty quick, but there it is. Got our sidewalk. We made the landing bigger than before. We shortened it over there, extended it a whole bunch there, made it about a foot bigger. Got the porch there. We added that step there. They didn't even want it, but I mentioned, you know, instead of having a big drop off, if you're not going to have a railing there, let's have a nice little step, something to step down. Sidewalk here. We will be doing that driveway maybe before the end of this year or early next year, but stick around for the pour tomorrow, guys. See you then. Bye bye. ¿Me lo puedes sostener tantito? Hey guys, pour went well. We poured at 7 in the morning, about 5 slump. Everything got finished good. Everything got finished there. One thing we noticed, the hummingbird feeder was hanging right above there, and it dripped a little bit of sugar water. Scraped it off, finished it out. But now we got this little blotch here. It's like a different color. We brought in a little bit of concrete to finish it, but it was dripping a little bit of sugar water. What do you guys think? Either way, should come out good anyways. See you guys next week. We're doing a couple small jobs and then going on vacation. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Don't forget to leave us a like, subscribe. See you then.